He became a documentary filmmaker, a published writer, and a homeless activist who is giving back. With 2 global campaigns under his belt focused on ending homelessness. But before all of that, he was a man gripped by addiction, not a habit, not a phase, but a 20-year war with crack cocaine. A father, raising his daughter while chasing the next high, sleeping in shelters, on the streets, and in people's houses, numbing the pain, losing everything except God's hand on his life. Eric Protein Moseley didn't get better overnight. He overdosed in a cheap motel. He hit rock bottom so many times, rock bottom became home. But through it all, God never let him go. There were days he wanted to die, nights he begged for one more chance. But it was in the darkest moments, curled up on sidewalks, crying out in desperation, that he found the light. God reached into that chaos and started rebuilding him, piece by piece, prayer by prayer, relapse by restart. Today, Eric is clean. He's a father still standing, a documentary filmmaker, a published writer, and a man of God on a mission to give back and create lasting change. His new ebook, Recipe for Recovery, is raw, real, and full of truth. It's not just a story. It's a spiritual guide forged in fire. For anyone battling addiction or loving someone who is, this is for you. Because if God can pull a crack-addicted homeless father from the edge, he can do it for anyone. This is Eric Protein Moseley's Recipe for Recovery.